Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, we're live. Background music. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let me. I'm always live streaming.
Right now, get up to 12 weeks free when you join Bupa on eligible products.
Yeah. Sorry. Uh, Hi, guys. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good evening. Good night. Yeah, we're back live again. Yeah, I think we're fine. Yeah, fine on my side. So yeah, yeah. Today is Tuesday. I think. Looking at my history, Tuesday has been a great day for us. So let's hope we have a great day today as well. Uh, yeah, let's. Sorry for yesterday. My internet stopped working, so I had to cut off my stream. So yeah, as usual, let's go see our chart. Oh, let's start from daily. Yeah. Sorry. So today the daily uh failed to break the previous daily high that was around 1926, 2025. So I feel like the market tried to break the previous daily high, but it failed and it came down. So yeah, we have our the levels hasn't changed pretty much because the market is pretty much ranging. Yeah, because the market is pretty much ranging from like few days. So let's go to 4 hour chart. Okay, the 4 hour made a new support around this area. So that area is 1924, and the other area is from yesterday. So we have a support around resist support around 1912, and we have a resistance around 1923. Go to 1 hour. Yep, yep. So 1 hour is same. So we yep. Our level is 1925. Let's go to 30 minutes. Yep, yep. Big much. 15 minutes. Yep. That's all I want. So yeah, but looking at all the multiple time frames from daily to 15 minutes, what we can see is we have a resistance at around 1925, and we have a support around 1912, and there is another support around 1904. But I don't think the market will move to that level. So yeah, our main target is what I'm planning. So what I'm planning is since it has broke this low, so the market has come down a little bit, or came down a lot in past 2 hour. So sorry guys, one sec. Is there any other levels here? Oh, there's a level over here. So but Yeah, so the prices came down a lot in the past 2 hours. So yeah, so yeah, it broke down this 30-minute resistance. Yeah. So basically, what I call resistance is when it fails to break down the previous candle low or previous candle low, and the market reverse back. So like let's have a look at around here. So here the market was coming down. So this candle fails to break the this candle low, and from that point the market just reverse back and test the previous high. So that's why I'll call it as a support. All right. So yeah, it made a support, and the price broke down this support and came down. So now my plan is that what I'm planning to do that since it's gap, one plan is I want to let's have a look at the 1 minute candle. So one man is I want the one. So we're looking at 1 minute candle. So one I want the price to come towards this level 1918, anticipating the price to come down, making today's low daily low around 1912. 1912 has been a strong support. Yesterday price came towards this 1912 area and it reversed back, made a new daily high. So yeah, so one one plan for today is like I want this price to come up towards the 1918 and come down towards 1912. So it's like break and retest. So whatever, so that's my plan. So other plan is like I wanted the price to come, if the price doesn't go retest 1918 and it comes drops down straight towards 1912. So my plan is that I'm gonna take a buy around this area so that anticipating the price to bounce back from around this level. So yeah, that's 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 my plan. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So for now, yeah, as usual, we know it's just a waiting game. All right. Let's have a look at 5 minute candle. Nothing much. So yeah, market came down really steeply. So I want it to go up, retest this area and come down. So yeah. Good.
This is the moment Kentucky made Jamal's travel dreams come true. This is the moment Zachariah enjoyed his ski time as much as his free time. These are the moments experienced together and remembered forever. Make every moment count. Kentucky, travel together.
Give me a sec, guys. About, yeah. So yeah, the price of gold, the price is coming down. Yeah, the price is coming down. Yeah, also we have news today. So we have a news at 9 a.m. I don't, I don't even know what's this news. Oh, that's 9 a.m. I just reacted to. 5:50. Sorry, sorry guys. Yeah, we have a news at 9, then we have news at 10 as well. And probably maybe the market is waiting for the news, but yeah, the price has come down sharply. So yeah, for now, yeah, what my plan is, if I want this price to come down around 1913, yeah, around 1913, 1914, then we're gonna take a buy, anticipating the price to go up at least to this level to retest its previous support. Yeah, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's our plan is. Let's go have a look at yeah, Mr. Razorbanks. Let's have a look. He has
The
the stream
Natural
is good
Chip
as well.
Company. Great.
Now we'll go to 1 minute candle.
Meet, we talk about work, business. And when we do meet, we talk about work. We talk about expansion, implementing new ideas. That's all what we do. What's a reasonable amount of money to potentially trade full time? I'd say like maybe 10,000.
So you guys will probably see me in those calls with the ICT guys. I don't say much, but I'm there.
Yep,
They,
the
they
price
had.
is coming.
I spoke to that Umar this weekend, Trizilla.
Yeah, the price is coming down. Yeah, yeah, I want it come down a little bit more, around 1914.55. And yeah, so you take a buy over around this area. Our stop loss is gonna be maybe below this support. So that's 1911, 1918. So if that's like 20 pips, and our TP is gonna be 1925. Yeah, that's over. Oh yeah, let's check my stream. I want to check my stream. Okay, let's keep.
Get up to 3. Yeah, looking at the 1 minute candle, there are like a lot of doses. So what it then is like volume, the price to come down is getting lower. So yeah, but 1 minute candle is really still betrayed because there's not enough data in 1 minute candle to make a decision. So if you look at 15 minutes candle, we don't see anything. So the 15-minute candle is gonna close in like 8-9 minutes. So what we'll do is we'll just wait for this candle to close. Probably, yeah. Let's look at a 1 hour candle, nothing but 30 minutes candle, yep. Look at 15 and 30 minutes candle to close, and otherwise, yeah. What you can look, oh, what? Oh, 5 minute candles is trying to just close bullish. I feel like the price gonna go up around this level 1980, 918, and if the price reaches this level, then we're gonna take a sell.
The world is changing, and so is AGL. It's one we're changing the way you can save when you bundle your energy, internet, and mobile. AGL Energy, Internet, and Mobile Bundles. Join the change.
Continental stock pot sensations. Real concentrated
Right.
stock that gives
Protein
every meal
side.
a real taste explosion.
I welcome you all to your channel about Forex.
In any way, shape, or form, right? Whenever you say you got manipulated. What you can do, blame the markets, right? No, blame yourself, right? Blame yourself for a lack of experience. Like some people could have said like this was market manipulation, right? This pushed down, but could it have just been on a yearly time frame, a bottom wick? Because this is a range. So you broke up the range, then you came back. Was that manipulation, or was that just a bottom wick on the next yearly candle to continue driving up? Because that was around January. You know what I mean?
Today the long at this from 1924 to 90 prices down straight. Pull back. Market go down. At 5 moment further 5-minute candle close rosy volume to down like come down so get those candles are all red candles feel like it's coming 1940 1930 1914 yep that big buys but doesn't comes to our level this want it to come down at least I want it to tap 1914 19 yeah 19 tap 19
So there's my 2 cents for that. With the whole manipulation shit and stuff. Because you never know how the banks trade.
Today, UBA has been the target of a cyber attack.
Let all the secrets come out.
You need a miracle. I am offering you a lifeline.
The perfect smile is the one you don't hold back. New Colgate Optic White Toothpaste. Powered by hydrogen peroxide, the same ingredient dentists use. Breaks down 15 years of deep stains. Smile out loud.
Yep, the market is coming down. It's making lower high, lower high. Yep. So I want it to come a little bit more and tap around 1914. Yep, it tapped 1914. 80, 78. So yeah, we're gonna take a buy here, right? Oh shit. I didn't get the entry that I wanted. So guys, yeah, we're gonna buys right now. So yeah, so we anticipate the market to go towards almost around 1918. So our take profit is gonna be around 1922. Look at 15 minutes candle. Yep, 1922, 1921, 1922.
and our stop loss is gonna be below this previous support. That's 1912.50 and 1912.69, so it's gonna be 3 pips, 24 pips stop loss, almost 30 stop loss. Yep, at least. Yeah, so we're not, well, we're on buys right now, right? So the reason behind this trader, we look at, so from 1923, from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, there hasn't, the price has been coming down a lot. There hasn't been a single pullback. So it broke this previous support area. So at least if it wants to come down and break this level, it needs to grab some liquidity. It needs to go back towards this previous support, grab some liquidity and come back. That's the reason why we took this trade. We want this market, we want the price to come back, like a pullback, go around this level and yeah, come back again. So but yeah, we'll see. So we are in a trade. We'll have a look. So the 15 minutes 15 minutes just closed. So yeah, 15 minutes just closed, 15 minutes kind of closed. So we have a new 15-minute candle. So yeah, we want the candle to be a bullish candle. If it's a bullish candle, then yeah, we will probably hit our target. So yep, as you can see, we're 70 pips profit already, 80 pips. Yeah, we want it to go up more. Yeah, once it reaches around 1917, yeah, 1917, 1918, we're gonna move our stop loss to break even. Yep. So we're gonna move our stop loss to previous 15 minutes low. No, yeah, previous 5 minutes low probably. Yep. So around I move my break stop loss to previous 5 minute low. That's 1914.44. The reason I move the stop loss is like, if the market wants to go up, it did not need to come down towards the it doesn't need to break the previous 5 minutes low, previous candle low. Yep. So yep, let's wait. So once the price go up and break 1916, we're gonna move our stop loss to break even. So let's see how it goes. It might break it might come down and hit our stop loss. So we never know in trading, right? Yes, the price is moving up, so I want it to break this high, and if it breaks this previous high, then the price is moving towards 1918. So yeah, it broke the high, so we're gonna move the stop loss to break even. So now it's a risk-free trade. Risk-free trade. We're up 28, 14 pips already.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the 15 minutes candle close before closing anything. So if the 15 minutes candle close bullish and above the previous 15 minutes high, then we're gonna let the trade run. And when it reaches up around 1918, we're gonna close half. Yesterday we missed this trade because I don't know why, but we. Oh yeah, I was in work. I came late from work, and by the time I was here, this move already happened. So, but today we caught it on time. So yep, look at the 5-minute candle. The 5-minute can bullish. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh yeah, so if I believe the price gonna go up around 19. Because we are stop loss is on break even, so it's a risk-free trade bit. Risk-free. remove my stop loss from the I want this. Oh, I want this 5 minute can. Oh no, sorry, the 50. Oh, wait. Candle bullish. It doesn't close bullish, and then we might exit out of the trade.
So
Nice, 1000% year.
I can't wait for December though.
Uh-huh. $19,000, but at the gold price. So the 5 minute candle close. Oh, bearish. Is there a news? The news is at around 9 a.m. Still have, sorry, no, 20 minutes for the news. Yep, 20 minutes. So I don't feel like this is like really hard, put high impact of the price. So yeah, we'll just wait. Trade. We have a stop loss, take profit, everything on. So yeah, we're just waiting. This might be a perfect fake out in 1 minute candle. Price came down and it's straight down, closed bearish, but the next candle is straight bullish. So might be a fake out, fake down. It might came down to grab some liquidity or grab some liquidity to go up around 1918, 1920, which we're our target in 1921. So yeah, let's wait. I need to go to toilet. I'll be back. Two more minutes for the ship loads. Yeah, I want the 15 to close bullish.
minute. So for now it's dozy candle, but I want it to close bullish around this 18, yeah, sorry, 9 and 16. It goes bearish, then might be going down. Today, like, I have my work till 12:30, but I came early for you guys for live streaming, for trading. Because I wanna focus on this totally. I wanna make it as my career. The work that I'm doing now is just, I don't like it. I don't want to work for anyone. So I'm not a full-time trader still, because I'm still learning. I don't have enough cash and enough balance to be a full-time trader. But yeah, I'm still learning. My plan is to be full-time trader, leave my job and everything by end of this year. But if it goes as planned, but you never know in trading, right? You never know. But the thing I want to be is like, I want to be profitable consistently. Yeah, I want to be profitable every month, every week. So that's my plan. I'm not worried about the percentage gain or anything yet. It's just I want to be profitable consistently. Money. You guys want to know how much we have gained in the past a month and a half? I'll show you my FX books stats. Yeah, this is my first my FX book stat. So till now we have like 70% gain in 1.5 months. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, this month only we are 173%. Yeah, we made almost $5,500 in August only. So I don't know what do I say. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I want this balance to be somewhere around 50K by end of this year. Yeah, it might be possible. It might be possible. I just need to be profitable consistently every week, every day. So I don't know. Never know. So the 1 hour is closing in around 12 minutes, 30 minutes. I wish the 1 hour close bullish, 1 hour flip. If it close bullish, then yeah, I'm sure we're gonna go up and retest, go up and retest today's high. So 90.23, 90.24. I feel like the market is waiting for the news. Everyone is waiting for the news to come and then trade. That's why I don't think. I feel like there is not enough volume for the markets to move anyway. It's moving sideways for the past 10-15 minutes. And the other thing is like the market has a pretty strong bearish movement, right? From 1924 to 1920, 1940, that's like 100 pip move. Now and the market is moving in sideways, but still have time. Let's see how is our Mr. Dawn doing. The guys are not doing anything.
Yeah, not yet, not yet. Maybe soon. Again, maybe lock it in though. Like if you're gonna go now. Come back for like 8:55, which is in about 5-10 minutes.
And yeah, so the New York
opens at 9 a.m. So we might get volume at 9 a.m. as well. So yeah, let's wait for the volume. One second, I need to call this guy. It was still in profit. We had 70 pips, 75 pips profit. So and also, guys, so after this account hits 10k, relax. So yeah, my plan is to after I hit 10k in this account, I'm gonna increase my lot size to 2 lot. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, yeah, we're going up. So when this 5 minute candle to break this previous high. Yeah, if we break this previous high, then we are moving towards 1918. Yep, see? Pretty slow these days. I can't even see his 1 minute candle. Finally. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even because there is news in 9 minutes. Yeah, there is news in 9 minutes. So if I'm not gonna lose anything. So that's why I'm. So yeah, so it's a perfect, perfect candlesticks to go up. So previous 15-minute candle was doji, right? Now now the current 15-minute candle uh, uh breaks the previous 15-minute candle high. So what in order to move the price up, what we need is this 15-minute candle to close above previous 15-minute candle. So if this 15-minute candle close above previous 15-minute candle, then yeah, I'm pretty much sure that the price gonna go up and test this 1924 area. Well, this is 1932. According to this trading central, it's saying that take profit at 1932. Where is 1932? 1932 is way up here. So telling us that price is gonna go up and hit 1932. Yeah, that's a pretty big target. That's like how many pips? We just let her run. That's like it's 170 pips. We'll see if we can we hit it. I don't know. let me call my sister. Sorry, yeah, sorry, I got a call from my sister. We have 3 minutes for the news, 3 minutes for the 15-minute, 1 hour candle to close. Yep, so the 5-minute candle is bullish, 10 minutes is bullish, 30 minutes is bullish. I want the 1 hour to flip bullish. If it flips bullish, then we are going up. Thing is, yeah, let's just I don't know. Should I just close my trade before news, or should I just let it run? Should we take risk? Yeah, already up to $50 to $70. Should I just? What do we do, chat? I feel like closing it. Should I hold it? Okay, let's hold it today. I'm gonna hold it. We have 2 more minutes for an hourly candle to. Yeah, we have 1 more minute for the news. Housing price index. Yep, 1 more minute. 1 more minute.
let's see how it goes to.
If much will happen. So, but yeah.
30 seconds. One more second, guys. For now, I'm gonna close this trade. The reason I close this trade is like, it's because of the news. So the news came positive. So the forecast is minus 2.3%, but the actual is minus 1.7%. It's actually better and greater than forecast. Good for currency. So never know, but I don't want to take. We're already up. So we're up by $310. So yeah, that's 220 pips. Enough. Hold on. If there was no news, then I could have hold a trade till toward this level around, but it is what it is, right? We made $310 profit, 21 to that's we're almost done for the day. Still, we're gonna look how the market reacts. And hello. Iya kan? Enda ni ada tak? Oh, about it. Okay, it's man, it's come to me. Oh, I need. हजुर काम अबदेखि काम हुँदैन बस्ने म 12:30 सायद ए शनिबार मैले सोचेको अब भोलि भन्छु भने बाउले पनि म तिमीलाई भोलि भन्छु भनेको हो मेरो काममा मिलाउनु पर्छ भन्नु भनेको होइन भाइसँग सल्लाह गरेर भन्छु भन्छु ल म खबर चाहिँ छैन नि अब 4 दिन हुनु साल पनि आजभोलि खासै काम गर्छ गफको दिन कामै गर्छन् है आजभोलि त मागिरहेको रहेछ अर्को लट खान लाग्यो क्या ल ल ल राम सभा सल्लाह भर्खर हेरेको थियो त्यो पढाइरह न हुन्छ targets for my brother, my work. Yeah, we have a parents are they are planning to buy the house. I'm working. But parents, yeah, not even. I think now I can't just leave my work and do trading for. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, the market didn't react much to the news. I think it's not that a high impact news, so yeah, the price didn't react much. So now I think the price gonna go up. At least it's gonna go around 1918. I feel like it might break this level and go up to 1924, but never know. Yeah, we had our trade for the day. We had 20 pip trade. Yeah, so yep, it's moving up. What we might do is, if it comes to us this level, we might take and might be sell. But yeah, let's see. But the thing is, like the price is showing a strong bullish. Yeah, at this price, we might have hit our first take profit. Close our price around this area, so yeah, it's like extra $100. That's about it. Rule number one. No. Rule number one is don't lose. Trading. Rule number two is don't be too much. You must follow our rule. Don't be too much greedy. Before I used to be not greedy. Wait for the price to go up and up and up, and he might take profit. That price. No. Don't take whatever market.
doji or bearish? Bearish? Gonna be bearish. Yes, then you need something like this. Right? Boom, and boom. You need to break the highs though. It's either that or you get another bullish candle above, but if you're close above the range, it's sort of form of structure. The thing is, like, you don't want to pull back here before it continue to push up. You want just to continue driving up so you can get the sells for it to drop down and you have an advantage point. But if it grabs liquidity here to drive up, then your advantage point gets smaller. It went from like, because look, if this is a lot higher low being formed the 5, if you were to drive up, your advantage.
What I thought came up for this level, what now is coming. If the 50-minute candle closes bearish, then it might come down to a like I like I thought. I'm trying to buy a live stream. My account to 10k after that. Alright, I'm thinking of withdrawing some. happening globally, the price gonna come down to yeah. Broke the previous it broke the support now. Tested it. I want it go up just a little bit more. What it is. This 15-minute candle close below the previous. Yeah, the price gonna go down. That's what like we are done for the day. We had our trade already. We had 20 pips profit already. So I don't feel like taking the trade, but we'll see if the opportunity, if the market gives you the opportunity, gives me the opportunity, then I'm gonna take it. Till then, I'm gonna wait and look at the market, how it reacts, how it. We'll see. Okay. Wait. 70.
Team 10, 50 pips away. Get ready. So last year we got clapped on the 1 hour time frame entry. 30 seconds for a close. If this kind of has no top wick, that would be the most absolute beautiful thing ever.
4 more minutes. Other 15 minutes. 15 and 30 minutes. Let's wait for the candle to close and
the thinking process here, okay?
Funny how we would have gone to clap last year.
Yeah, last year we got clapped. We've been like
looking at it, and yo, last year this was a bit. It would have been a mean loss.
we've been bad. No, not last year though. The year before, I think. The year before. I don't know about last year. The year before. Well, actually, to be honest, no. Our stop would have been last year, the year before. No, our stop would have been here. It would have been like 1920.3. So
I think it would have been a re-break of the highs, you know.
For buys or sells?
For sells.
Oh, current kind of high? Yeah, maybe the year before current kind of high. Last year though, Pierce kind of high probably. Or who knows? Oh yeah, for sure. DVS turbulence. Here's how we found out about you. YouTube home, YouTube search, channel pages. This is what they watch. Oh damn, they definitely watch a 24-hour stream. And then they watch Friday's trade. And then they watch the Monday's trade.
Yeah. Want to stop, but
people didn't just watch, they reached out. 7,200 likes, 579 shares, 80 comments. You made $358 last week. Wow.
What, IG?
No, YouTube. Wow, that's pretty good.
358 in a week?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's good.
Bro, I used to make that at work. Back then, working part-time. Right? Like 300. I used to make 750 every 2 weeks for a paycheck. I always had, like, yeah, I think I'll make around there during the paychecks. Like 1,400 a month, probably. In Canada. Back when the wage was like maybe $10.80. Now it's like $14.50 or something. Or $15.50 or something like that, right? Or $16.60, I don't know.
You're making surgeon money with burgers and shit.
Yo, Juice, 5-minute timeout, bro.
Yes.
Come on, man.
candle goes in. Yeah. 5-minute dozies. 5-minute goes dozy as well. It breaks. Break is low. Possibly 19.
Is he the technician? Because the McDonald's next to me, they just be. I don't even see the guy. The shit just comes on a wheel. What does he do? Is he the engineer at 1850?
The engineer.
He fixes the ice cream machine. Nobody fixed the ice cream machine. I've never seen a McDonald's with a fixed ice cream machine.
There's an app you can go on to check whenever the ice cream machines are working or not.
Nah, they don't fix the ice cream machines. That's a lie.
Chat, this story, by the way, just a little update. Opened up bullish or closed bullish. This count should create a bomb and continue to drive up. So that's what I'm saying. You should see 20 get tapped there. I don't think it's gonna reject off of 19. It would have done it right now. You're gonna likely see 20 get tapped. 2020.336. Okay. And then news, if you continue to close bullish for 10 a.m., news might create a bottom wick before it come up. So you have chances to exit with news, likely, if you do get sells. But hopefully be in profit by then. We'll see if you even get traded by then. But I'm assuming, you know, news, if anything, if it does close the way it is, it's gonna create a bottom wick before it comes up. But these ranges are definitely doable. Oh shit, there we go, breaking the highs. Your advantage point from 20 to here is like, I think 10-pip difference. It's not too bad.
It. Try to break high, but not, and it came that there is sellers around there, like what do it buyers both trades now. I don't know, I forget the word, but to say there are, it's like a supply and demand job, like a supply, I don't know what supply and demand. What broke the supply? Various sellers and what is it? Market? Now I mean low, dozy low. So very big. Very big.
Probably the next 5 though. If you close bearish here, chat, and the next 5 breaks the highs, we'll get in sells. All right, that'll be the sells we'll take. But I want to see this 5 close bearish, because this 30 can literally any given point, again, just flip bullish and continue to drive up. NYC open here too, so it's gonna get interesting.
Yeah, so the New York Stock NY 930. That's why the volume was
It reflips, it's gonna break the highs, right? And if it ever breaks the highs, realistically, it'll be breaking the structure in the 5. That's why it's breaking the 5 highs. And that way it'll drop towards the next clean traffic area, which is gonna be 1919, 1920. So then that'll be your entry now, right? But you see how we're hiring the entry based off the way we're printing on the 5 and such, right? But this thing should break the highs there. I don't see why not. If it flips here though, then might be it. It might be it. But if it doesn't flip, then we're gonna entry. But I want that exact entry, right? We're not gonna sell down for less. 1919.9. Oh no, my mouse died. No. Yo, mouse. Yo, imagine my mouse died, chat. I'm about to enter a position. Woo. Oh shit. Let me cut off. So what happened there? You didn't tap 1919? No, you didn't. Almost there. What time is it? 37. Second half of the 5 candle. If it flips, it would have been right here and there. If it re-breaks the high, you should see another pop towards 21.5. Because it's basically a lower high right now in the 1 minute time frame. Right? You see the 1 minute lower high, right? Because that's what the count did, printed, right? So if it flips, it will be here after breaking the highs. But struggling now. So if this 1 minute flips bullish again, that should lead to the re-break of the highs, and therefore you move your resistance up a little higher towards like 20.2 or 21.3 ish. I think I had it at right 21.3. Yeah.
No, so if you guys want to take those, then
Let's see. Depends. If it opens up and creates a top wick first, then yes. If it opens up and creates a bottom wick first, then no. We'll have to move it back up to 1919.20. Mouse died the worst time. Make sure it's connected. You want this file to close below though, if you want that entry. If it closes above, then it's basically could any given point just continue to fly past, right? So you want this count to close respecting 1918.87 here. Which looks like you are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this count should create a top wick first. If not, if it doesn't, and if it breaks the lows first and breaks the highs, then the entries will be a little tough. But if it continues to pop here towards 1919.1, then we might have a better entry. Almost there, chat. Let's see. Can we tap 21.1? All right, perfect. Chat. Gonna take a sell here. On price. Take a sell here. Stop loss is obviously gonna be up here. Target is gonna be down here at 1910. All right.
Well, I was streaming. Don't worry. He just put his stop loss.
But yeah, that's the trade we got into. Okay. So entries. My entry is 1918.67.
Yeah.
On a dot.
1930. So that's like,
let's see,
100 pips.
Move stop loss to break even at break-even point will be probably here, chat. It'll probably be 1917. There was manager 18.67. Yeah, so stop loss will likely be, or break-even will likely be this point right here. I'll say 1917.6 because that 5 is no bottom wick. So even if you were to continue driving up, you're gonna see liquidity being grabbed there, worst case, before popping up. I'm expecting this 5 flip bearish, obviously, right? But you are playing to the 10 a.m. candle here. Yeah, break even would be like 17.62. So. Cool.
Last time we did this shit before news, I paid 3 swap fees. No, I paid 3 swap fees.
Hopefully no swap fees today, chat. 085. Nice.
Oh, man.
Yeah, because even if news comes out, like look at price action. Typically news follows price action. You're gonna see a bottom wick first, right? And the bottom wick is where? At 1916. You'd be like 30 in profit, whatever. Because even if you were a drop for news, this is what's gonna happen first. So you come down, break the lows, and you have at times exit in these areas here. Because in order for price to really correct this move here, right? In order for price to really correct this push here, it's gotta create some type of a bottom wick on the 1 hour or something. Because look left, if it were to continue to drive up now towards your next target, which is gonna be 1926, it's gonna at least have to come down to rebreak the lows, like something like this, right? It won't just drop from here. Rebreak the lows or at least tap into like 1916, 1917, but you have opportunities to exit with the way we entered here. You have advantage points. Obviously, I want to play up before news, right? But we can't always control time. But off of even news and price action, it shows that it's got to grab liquidity before coming up anyways. The 4 hours no bottom wick. The daily didn't break the lows in order for us to drive yet. If anything, news could push us in the right direction as well towards 1912. Yeah, stops up here because above the range is high. If you break the highs, you're likely going to continue pushing further down, right? Actually, let me just... What's that? 1930.29. Sorry, TP chat is 1910. Not 1912, 1910. Stop loss is 1930.29. This is the break of those highs. Because you break those highs, you're going to continue to push the other way, obviously. Well, I'll look for pineapples probably around like 1925 if it ends up coming up there, but... Or not 1925, 1924.
26.
24 or 26. 26 might be. I mean, I don't want it. I don't want to have a pineapple there, but if we have to, then
26.27.
Oh shit, 26.28. Yeah.
I got 279 actually. That's funny.
It's 15 close bullish here, no bottom wick. How big was that push earlier? From here to here, that was 20 pips. Not too bad. What was it? 1930.29. My question now is like, okay, you have this 15 close, right? No bottom wick, obviously. So you're likely gonna come down to create a bottom wick. But even if you were to continue to drive up, is the rejection just gonna be at our break-even point or at 1917, or is there gonna be something like this? Like we'll move stocks to break even once you tap like 1762, but
Sniper entry. 750. This is a pretty good trade, right? That's what we do every day. Also, there's your desktop.
yeah.
Down. Music crazy.
Yeah, people were saying on, I think Wednesday's trade, they're saying, oh, yeah, you guys got lucky on news because news came down.
No, news went against us.
Yeah, it went against us, but like in terms of price action, right? Like the news brought in the volume for it to create that move before it came up anyways. So same thing happened, same thing today, I'm saying it now in case. Creating a bottom wick to continue driving up is a lot lower. It might just be creating a top wick to drop down for news. But if you close above the range, above this resistance at 1918, 1919, then you're gonna see that bottom wick form first before it pushes up. So depending on where it closes, that matters, and obviously how it opens too matters as well, right? But our stops are where they are for a reason, because if you break the high, then it's invalid. Obviously, I'm not expecting to break the high, right? So if the news count were to come down today, it's going to come down tap 1915.52. Which I may move my TP down towards there for news.
Oh.
Did it tap 21? This is our original level, right? Earlier? 21.36. Yeah.
Where's Marcos? He was showing up for a little while. He's not.
We're in drawdown, remember?
that? Where my fucking airplane pillow at?
Why's my cable here? Let's see. How does 5 close? Okay, still no bottom. We're gonna 5. Yeah, chat. Just be for news here. Like, just make sure you're here for news. Like, you're here at 10. You don't dip off on the trade at 10, because if we were to manage the trade, it's likely gonna be at 10. Like, there'll be something for us to manage it off of, either stops at break even or closing full in profit or whatever, right? But 10 a.m. like 9:59 to 10. Make sure you're here in about 7 minutes here.
The volume.
Because here to here, like 1917.66 is your support now. So if you were to create a bottom wick, that's where we're likely going to move stocks to break even at. And that'll be like the 1 hour, the 30-minute flip, basically. Yeah, nothing we can do about wait here. I'm still in. Don't stress. If I get out, I'll let you guys know, obviously. But we should be able to have opportunities to get out or close in profit right at 10. Could be a 50 pip runner, could be a break even, could be a loss, or it could be a 10 pip win. But with price action, it's either gonna be break even probably, or it's gonna be break even with news, or it's gonna be either 31 pip win, 31 pip win. Unless we slip TP, which I would not stress about. Or I would not complain.
Nah, I'm calling him up. Yeah, slip me again. Take my money.
Or maybe news could play out too in a way where it has no top wick. It breaks the highs and it continues to push. The high though that's gonna create could be interesting for news. But once it flips bearish, that should be the run.
Looks looking like Gandalf. You know what Gandalf's nickname was, right?
What was his nickname?
Gandalf the Wise.
I think last year, yeah, we would hit stops already. So let's see if this year we get the same stops. Yeah, last year our stalls would have been right here. Would have been at 1916. But would have had a stop for 39 pips. Five minutes here, chat. 4 minutes left, actually, not 5. 4 minutes. These are like your two scenarios for news, right? So first scenario for news is, again, bottom wick and a continued drive, right? But bottom wick, if it happens, it's going to be tapping into 1915 into the zone here. Scenario number 2 is you close probably with no top wick here. There's 1 hour candle. News just comes down, or news does something like this. Comes up, top wick, and once it flips bearish, that bearish flip will be then your break-even point, but the top wick is what you gotta survive, right? So the question is, where's the top gonna be? If that were to be the case, if that were to be scenario number 2. Scenario number 1, obviously scenario number 1, 3 minutes here is if you flip by the time you have news, which I highly doubt it's gonna do, but then news just continues to run past 1916, 1918. But you have 3 minutes left. I highly doubt it's gonna really flip bearish here and drop 40 pips in a minute and a half. But like that's kind of what I'm looking at here. I'll prefer scenario number 1 to happen, even though we might not get runners. Scenario number 2 will give us runners though, because it'll be grabbing liquidity for us to drop down, right? But if he grabs liquidity for us to drop up, then chance of getting runners is very unlikely. But you can still exit with like 30 pips, 25, 30 pips. Scenario number 4, or number 3, obviously would be a bullish candle that just drives up like this.
Take door number 3, Bob.
$29.13. Back
Paid
down
my
to
dad's account.
15.
Yo ass better be stealing dad's car right after this.
Let me just put this in here real quick. 1 minute left, chat. Let's see what news does. 1 minute and 30 seconds. If it's starting to pull back, you should get scenario number 1, which is the bottom wick before dropping back up. But break even, pay attention, it's gonna be 1917.36. So make sure, you know, like that's what I'm doing in case it happens too quick for you guys. I'm letting you guys know ahead of time. Once it's at 1917.436, I move stops to break even and let it rock.
And 9, 8, 7,
6,
6,
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, he popped up. Will you flip? 1 hour has no top wick. If it flips, then you should be good for runners. I'll move my TP down way below where it is. If it breaks the highs though, then there's a high chance you're just gonna continue to drive further up and hit stops. But our stop loss is 30.29, right? If it flips though, then we should get runners, because like that'll be a 4 hour top wick for us to drive back down. And I'll then move my TP. I'll leave my TP where it is. I won't close off at 1913, 1912 ish, because you already grabbed the highs. If you ever breaks the highs though, then you're gonna hit stops, obviously. Look at the 4 hour time frame, right? Broke the highs. This is kind of key here though, how it reacts here. But we move our stop initially because I was afraid that you can easily break the highs and still continue to flip bearish on the 4. Technically, we could move our stop down to this low now, which will save us like 16 pips, but it's not much of a difference. Maybe like once it starts to flip bearish, we could, but not yet at least. No pineapples yet because it's way too volatile right now. If I were to get a pineapple, it would have to be once you get some structure formed. You need like some closures and such. Yeah, it's pushing up again. Let's see. It's technically making higher highs, higher lows in the smaller time from here. Let's see what this 5 does. This 5 is very crucial too. No bottom wick. If it flips, it should be good. If it doesn't flip, then you may hit stops.
Doesn't flip the rebreak of the high. Should drive it to stops. Yeah.
27.33. Well, that was a 5 closure already. Oh, that's a 1 minute. Never mind. Yeah, let's see what happens here. The thing is, like, our stops though, chat. If we were to hit stops, it's gonna continue to drive past stops. It's not just gonna stop there too. So that's why you want to have your stop there. Because if it does end up breaking the highs at 30.149, it's gonna drive towards like 35, maybe even like 38, right? So you don't want to be in this trade obviously past that. If it would have flipped right then and there. We may have stops there. It's rebreaking the highs.
Yeah, if it rebreaks the highs, it's gonna pop up. That's why you don't over risk.
What we lose there?
Yeah, 3%, 3.1 if it hits stops.
So yeah, I think 3 point something as well, or 2 point something, 2.6. I wouldn't add a pample here, not yet at least.
Yeah, I don't see it coming down because once highs are rebroken, it's going to need to establish a new support.
Yeah.
You got more entries, but for this entry, just wouldn't make sense. How did the news come out?
Purchase came out negative because it's pushing up, right? It just there was no pullback, nothing. So scenario number 3 played out, where it just straight up pushed up. I'm pretty sure it came out like super negative. Yeah, both forwards came out really negative.
You want to keep driving up. It rebroke the highs.
Yeah. The only way we'll survive this chat is if we get some counts.
And hold it our trade. Fuck, it's gonna be. We have been like 100 bits, $17. Fuck, $1,700 fucking dollar. 100 bits, more than 100. 150. It is what it is. Gonna be quick.
Here, chat, for 111 pips. Yeah, so stops got hit for 111 pips. We broke the highs. We can't really do much here in terms of like pineapples or anything, just because there's news. I wouldn't stack a pineapple or news, but yeah, no, I wouldn't stack a pineapple or news. Like the only way you can come down is if you flip. But if you flip, here's the thing, it's gonna run. But for it to flip, it needs to start, obviously coming down. And for it to start coming down, it needs to print some zucchinis. So if it's starting to push up again now, what should happen here is you should continue to see a pop further up towards 35 minimum. I'll say 35.
Yeah, alright guys. It for today. Today was a good day as well. I've holding our trade for long, that we have made more money, like almost 70, 80 pips, 100. What it is. The thing about trading is don't risk too much, don't be too. Follow your plan. Yep. As it's CPs. Tomorrow, same time, same thing. Be awesome. Do my thing. Alright guys, have a good night, good morning.